सत्यानंदाय। ओम गुरुभ्ये नमः। ओम गुरुभ्ये नमः। श्रीहरिं परमानन्दम् उपदेष्टारमेश्वरं व्यापकं सर्वलोकानां कारणं तं नमाम्यहम्। उपदेष्टानुभूतिर्वै प्रोच्यते मोक्षसिद्धये। सद्भिरेव प्रयत्नेन वीक्षणीया मुहुर्मुहुः। स्ववर्णाश्रमधर्मेण तपसा हरितोक्षणात्। साधनं प्रभवेत् पुंसां वैराग्यादि चतुष्टयम्। ब्रह्मादिस्तावरान्तेषु वैराग्यं विशेषणम्। यथैव काकविष्टायं वैराग्यं तद्विनिर्मलम्। नित्यात्मा स्वरूपं हि दृश्यं तद्विपरिगतं। सदैव वासना त्यागः समयम इति शब्दिता। निग्रहो बाह्यवृत्तिना विश्य विधीयते। विश्यभ्य परावृत्तिः परमो परतिर्हिसा। सनं सर्वदुःखानां तितिक्षा साधुमता। निगमाचार्य वाकेषु भक्तिः सद्येति विश्रुता। चित्तैक्रागं सुलक्ष्यसे समाधान इति स्मृतम्। उपाधानं किमस्तिह विचारः पुरुषे नहि। कर्तव्यो ज्ञानसिद्ध्यर्थं ध्रुवमुच्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। श्रीहरिं परमानन्दम् उपदेष्टारमेश्वरम् उपदेष्टानुभूतिर्वै प्रोच्यते मोक्षसिद्धये। ओम सं नो मित्रस्सं सं नो वरुणः सं नो भवत्वयमा सं नो इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः सं नो विष्णुरुक्रमः। नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वाय। त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि। त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि। ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि। तन्मावतु तद्वक्तारमवतु। अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। आनन्दोऽहम् आनन्दोऽहम् आनन्दं ब्रह्मानन्दम्। आनन्दोऽहम् आनन्दोऽहम् आनन्दं नित्यानन्दम्। आनन्दोऽहम् आनन्दोऽहम् आनन्दं ब्रह्मानन्दम्। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो नारायणाय। 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 ओम नमो नारायण। श्री राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय जय राम। जय जय राम जय राजा राम। जय राम जय सीताराम। जय सीताराम जय जय राधे श्याम। जय राधे श्याम जय जय हनुमान। जय राधे श्याम जय जय हनुमान। श्री राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय जय राम। जय जय राम जय राम। जय जय राम जय जय सीताराम। जय सीताराम जय जय सीताराम। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकबन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृता। ओम शांति शांति Shantihi. Hari Om Tatsat. Hari Om Tatsat. Hari Om. I'm very happy to be here with all of you, all your very special divine soul. Hari Om. Hari Om. Close your eyes. Feel peace within, joy within. Think, Alpine, I am the ocean of joy. I am the ocean of compassion. Infinite peace is with me. Infinite peace is within me. I am cheerful, I am blissful, I feel so wonderful. Almighty Lord resides within me. I am never alone. God is with me. God is within me. Each second which I breathe, the God, feel His presence. I am very cheerful. I am blissful. I feel happy. My good wishes, blessing, and love each and everyone. Hari Om. Hari Om. Hari Om. It's nice to see all of you. Wonderful smiling face. Wonderful smiling, joyful, happy. Hari Om. The most important thing in the life, God. Without the God, we cannot exist. That's why the first God we call Matru Devo Bhava. Our mother is the first God. 9 months we are with Him, that individual creation takes place. How blessed the mother is. 9 months that creation take place, even she don't know. But 9 months that beautiful soul come just like you, me. Human being cannot create anything with the pen and pencil. But the Divine Mother, different form, create to manifest that within the womb of a mother. And the divine door open, and we take a first breath. We feel insecurity. The 9 months we are secured with the mother. The first breath, the first prana, connected the cosmic divine Almighty Lord. And that Lord, each breath which inhale prana, exhale apana. Each breath you in, experience joyful, peaceful, happy, contentment, and journey start. You know, Purush and Prakriti. Purush, invisible divine source. Whatever is seen in this world, the Prakriti, the manifestation of every external thing. This body also Prakriti, the manifest. The body is the flesh, the bone. We have Karma Indriya and Gyan Indriya. Karma, Indriya, senses, eyes to look, ear to listen, the mouth to talk, the nose to breathe, hand to work, leg to walk, mind to think. So sensory, that called Karma Indriya, action work, Gyanindriya, mind, intellect. These are inner, intellect, mind, and senses bring information. We have the body. We live in the body. Body just like a car. This is a rented house. The car is a rented house. And each time you breathe, you pay the rent of this house. And the moment you stop not giving rent of this house, means prana, you have to vacate this house. Prana, connected with Jivatma. Jivatma, individual self, connected, prana connected, and Paramatma, cosmic universal. You can also God. You can all Sat Chit Ananda. Sat Chit Ananda. Our nature is Sat Chit Anand. When you ask you what is your name, you say my name is, I will call Swamiji. When is before that, Swamiji? You call Liana, Loti, Jennifer, Andrea, Laura, Jamuna Devi. This name is giving for mother and father for the body. But soul, your spirit, your Atma, that name is Sat Chit Anand. When you bond with the body and two, yourself, and when you die, your body remain here, and that Atma go original state. Just like drop of ocean and the ocean the same. So Atma that called Sat Chit Anand. Sat Chit Ananda. Truth, Chit and conscious, that is nature. My nature is joy, bliss, not happiness. When you use the word happiness, happiness brings unhappiness. Happiness, day bring night, the dark and the light. Yoga sama uchyate. Every condition, pleasure, pain, happiness, unhappiness, sadness, nervousness, joyful, maintain the balance, total harmony, that the life. Yoga samuchyate. Every condition you make a harmony. But we create sadness, unhappiness, nervousness, depression, worries, preoccupation. These are your creation. You become worried. Why become worried? Because something you want, you don't get it. You want someone like and they don't like. Your job to give love, affection. Do not expect anything. Your job is to give. God give you light. Look, Surya Devata, Surya Narayan. Surya means sun. Early in the morning, sun come and give the light. Sun don't ask anything. What about sun being the vacation of 1 week? What will happen in the world? God give you everything what you need. Man become unhappiness because he don't fulfill his desire. When you don't get married, he want to get married. When you don't have children, they want to children. When you don't have house, he want house. When you want a car, you want car. Want. And when you don't fulfill the desire, then unhappiness. The creation of man create thing. When you born, what you bring. When you die, what you going to take. This all the things you are using this life. If you give your son, and son is just like a 1 year old, little baby, and you give $500 of note. So, then you give one chocolate to him. He will throw the chocolate, he will throw the 500 and he will make the more pieces. and he will enjoy chocolate. The value of the son to have a chocolate, not that $200. You think dollar the money. One boy went to his mother and she gave him $5. He says, this is the money. Money, what is money? And then after that, he don't know value of the money. Then one day she went with him and she buy some sweet. Then he understand, oh, that piece of note, dollar give the sweet and chocolate. The value. Children have the different value. Their children are innocent. But we are, due to our desire or obtain the material thing, people ignorant. The difference between innocent and ignorant. That's why think every day, what is the purpose of life? God sent me in this planet. What I am doing? What is my karma? What is my dharma? What is my duty toward me and to my family and my world? I am Swami. Swami don't become, I put a nice chandan and nice geru cloth and shave my head. Swami, master of himself, who understand the mind, the emotion, the feeling, whom understand that were trained under the discipline, the Guru give the discipline. And I got a title, Swami. My complete name is, my Guru has given Swami Brahma Vidyananda Saraswati. People say, my God, your big name. Swami Brahma Vidyananda Saraswati. Brahma, cosmic creator. Ananda, bliss. Vidya, the knowledge. So that is my inner name. That is my nature. I have to obtain that knowledge. But we give the name externally. When you go, your name remains. Name and the form, the two things. When my name appears, your form comes. But your nature is Sat Chit Anand. Name and form, Sat Chit Anand. I am the truth and the bliss. So if we go, purpose of life, to know who is living within me. My purpose to realize myself. I am cheerful. I am blissful. I am happy. I don't have to feel anything. Someone say I love you or someone hate you. Who cares? You are you. Someone tell you dog, you don't have a tail. Someone tell. There one time, the Buddha was in giving his satsang. He always, Buddham saranam gacchami, Sangam saranam gacchami, Yogam saranam gacchami. Life of Buddha. Buddha was a prince. Lord Buddha, his name was Siddhartha. He gave up everything. He has a wife, he has a son, his father and mother. Sorry, his mother not. When a 2-month-old, Buddha's mother died. And his mother's sister get married with his father, so she take care. So Buddha went to find out nirvana, anubhuti, moksha. And while he was preaching, one person come and try to talk so bad thing half an hour. So much. You say, you give up your family, give up your son, give all the things, you are not good person, you are teaching dry teaching. Buddha was calm and quiet. And after half an hour, the man say, Lord Buddha, the people call Lord, and I'm doing so much bad to you and you don't feel anything. I say, you are telling my body. You are giving, but I am not receiving. You are talking bad. This is for my body. I am that Buddham Sharanam. I'm surrendered to divine, that Buddha, my state. Not to influence anything externally. That means you're following your real dharma. and purpose to realize I am that immortal being. I am that Satchidanand, that purpose of life of everyone. Doesn't matter your Swami, your teacher, your master, your doctor, your life, engineer, married, unmarried, doesn't matter who you are, but you are that cosmic being and you are in the state of bliss. The purpose of life, do your karma, do your dharma, doesn't matter who you are, but your nature, you find your inner nature, and life is a blessing. Life is a divine blessing. I feel very happy. I got wonderful teacher in my life. The relation between teacher and the student, the guru and disciple. What is mean guru? The guru, remover of ignorance, avidya, giver of light, giver of knowledge and wisdom, giving that inner nature. Disciple, who follow the discipline sadhana and sadhak, who follow the discipline and to help you, my dear son, my dear daughter, you are sent by divine to do a special dharma, to follow the spiritual path. Karma and dharma. Do the proper dharma. Yoga, viyoga. Karma and dharma. Bhoga and roga. These are the 6 words. 1982-84, I went to California and I have a lot of program in Los Angeles and TV there. The first day, one person asked me a question and I was giving 1 hour program in 6 words. Yoga, viyoga. Karma and dharma. Bhoga and roga. Bhoga and roga. This is a Hindi word, Sanskrit word. Bhoga, excess of enjoyment. Anything excessive, excess of talking, excess of eating, excessive, excess of sleeping, anything excess, that bhoga. You like to have a coffee and tea. So what do you do coffee? You put 1 or 2 spoons of the sugar in the coffee. Suppose 20 spoons you put in the sugar, in the milk, and the coffee or tea, what will happen? That is excess of bhoga. The bhoga with the roga, disease. Disease come, physical, mental, emotional, psychological. Somatic and psychological disease come. That is called roga. Follow moderation. Bhoga and roga. Disease come. Bhoga and roga. Karma and dharma. Do the good action. Good talking, listening, eating, working, thinking, everything good action, good karma. And karma you don't expect anything, just do. Loving also that good karma. That you follow the karma. So dharma, duty. The duty of mango tree, give the mango. When the mango don't expect anything. The sun, give the sun. The prakriti, the nature, give, don't accept. Divine Mother, Earth. Believe in the Mother, Divine Mother never tired. She give all what you eat. This body is Earth. So, karma, dharma. Duty, individual dharma, nature of dharma. Yoga, viyoga. Yoga means union. Healthy body, healthy mind, healthy emotion. Everything is perfect. That means yoga. Vivega. Viyoga means separation. Unhealthy body, unhealthy mind, unhealthy thing, everything. So, one who practices yoga is no viyoga. Always balanced personality, balanced mind, healthy body, healthy mind. Today I was walking around my block And one lady says, Swamiji, I'm looking many years to you, more than 30 years, you live in this area, and you look the same person. I went to my doctor to my blood test. Swamiji, you lose the weight. I said, I eat moderate food. What you eat before, 1 year the same food, I took the same thing. Lunch, dinner, breakfast. So, discipline life. That means yoga. Discipline, thinking discipline. Conclusion, follow discrimination 3 words. Yoga, Viyoga. Karma, Dharma. Bhoga, Roga. You understand? What I'm talking, not just talking, I'm talking what I explain in my life. Each of you talk, read the book and talk. I'm not that person. What I experience, I talk. Giving advice is not reading the book. Give the knowledge with experiences. And you have to faith on the Guru's word. That's why I call Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deho Maheshwara, Guru Shakshan Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. Guru is from Brahma, Shiva, Vishnu. Brahma created the world, Vishnu preserved, and Lord Shiva called Yogeshwar. Lord Krishna called Yogeshwar. The Guru is a supreme, hidden, is not outside, he is always with you. Have total trust and the faith, Guru's word, God will come your way. God will guide you, inspire you. Life without the God is like a sugar without a sweetness. Visible, invisible. God don't exist only temple. That is your faith and Shraddha. It's not in church, not synagogue, not mandir. This body is a temple, my dear friend. Purify this body. Every day you take a bath, you clean your teeth, you put a nice clothes, you look wonderful, I'm also looking good. Clean your mind. Just like clean your body, clean your mind. That clean mind, relaxed mind, the calm mind, the well-trained mind, change whole personality in the life. I'm not giving advice, I'm giving my word, my heart. The knowledge is available for use. What I say, the knowledge is available for you. The connection is ready. Up to you, switch on or off. Open the gate of the God, the light, and life will be changed. Now the world is suffering, whole world about the corona. Corona is nothing but that virus entering the body. Prana Vishnu, now we close the nose. How we can survive? My common sense base, I am telling, the system of prevent the corona is a bad system. 50 years before there was a big, that same thing happening now, that called tuberculosis was in India. 50 years before there was a big, just like a virus, tuberculosis, very powerful. So what that time they done, not living in hospital. The tuber patient, they go forest, jungle, close to the beach, at the river. Put their small places there, breathe in and out properly, take a nice food, free mind, free eating, living life, healthy life, and automatically that the epidemic of tuberculosis disappeared. Ayurveda, they had a solution. Ayurveda is the most important thing, even the corona. So we have fear, I have disease, I'm going to die. They enter in the fear in your body. You become dependent. No medicine can help that corona. Vaccine we take, that vaccine don't help. You are the creator of that situation and you can take it out. It will remain. medicine they cannot discover. One person went to one Swami. He was cardiologist, and that Swami asked him, the Guruji, "Oh doctor, you're cardiologist, you're the doctor of heart." "Yes, I am." "So you do operation?" "Yes, I change the heart. I do operation. But I never find what is soul. I don't find any spirit." My dear friend, doctor cannot discover. I'm not against the doctor. I have many friends. In Miami, we have 400 to 500 Indian doctors live. All kind of facility doctor. Miami is full of Indian doctor, every hospital. All that my friend, my student. And he says, "Swamiji, I do operation, but I have not find the soul, the spirit." And the Swami says, "My dear friend, my dear doctor, you know water? H2O, the water. You cannot catch the water with the hand. You need a glass. You need glass, or you need something container. And the water, river water, the ocean water become cloud. Again, the rain come and go to the river. But take the water and put in a freezer. Suppose this one, you put the water here and put the freezer for 1 hour. That water become ice. Yellow, become violet, they form. Water, there is no form. But if you put in the freezer, that becomes solid. But the ice, not water, there is no solid, it is formless. Air is formless, earth is formless, God is formless. This body God live. Why the person death, his life, now he's breathing. Something invisible force which you cannot see, but you can feel. The God, Ishwar, Bhagwan, exists, that you know. I'm telling about Mam, who create the beautiful eyes and ear and the nose and the legs. You know, you are that manifest. One man cannot paint that one. God is invisible. Believe or not, he exists. तेरो नाम ओमकार, तेरो नाम ओमकार, तेरो नाम ओमकार, तेरो नाम ओमकार, तेरो नाम ओमकार। तू सत तू चित आनंद, तू ही निराकार निर्विकार, तेरो नाम ओमकार, तेरो नाम ओमकार। तू ही ब्रह्मा, तू ही विष्णु, तू ही जीस, तू ही बुद्ध, तू ही राम, तू ही कृष्ण, तू अपार, तू अपार, तेरो नाम ओमकार, तेरो नाम ओमकार। Nam, the name is Omkar, infinite thing. Just like water is infinite, sky is infinite. Sky, there is no limit. God, there is no limit. Water, there is no limit. Land, there is no limit. Sky, infinite, there is no limit. God is living within us. So we have to learn to experience Anubhuti. Lord Shiva, he is incarnate in different form. We belong to tradition Saraswati, Lord Sankaracharya. Jaguru Sankaracharya is the Swami. That Swami used to say, Jagat Mithya Brahma Satya. What we see in the naked eyes, they all don't exist. What you don't see. You see the body, you cannot see the soul or spirit or Atma, the God. but without the divine force. Who give the force to the eyes to look? Who give the force to listen? Who give the force to talk? Who give the force to walk? Who help your heart how the world? My dear friend, this body is controlled, managed by the cosmic divine forces. Body visible, but soul is. So purpose of life, God, realization, anubhuti, moksha, nirvana, auto-realization. Know yourself. If you want to free all obstacles, every day make a time for connection with the God. 2 minutes, 3 minutes connection. Nothing less, no thought. Mother, father, brother, sister, house, car, all the external detached and attached to the divine force. And life is a change. That's why I said, life called Jivan, Mrityu, Maran. The 2 points, the river flow in the 2 directions, 2 parts, 2 shore, water flow. Over what? Life is just like a river. Life of river flowing, go to the ocean. So we are the ocean, imagine the ocean, there is no river. Not to worry, not to fear. So always my mantra is Satya Prema Karuna. Always I remember Satya Prema Karuna, 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 Satya Prema Satya. Satya, the truth. When the truth is there is no fear and then Shanti comes. Satya, when the truth. When you're hiding something, you are lying, you are hiding something, means you are not speaking true, you are not true by yourself. In relation between husband, father, mother, brother, teacher, God, your relation will be true relation. And love comes prema. Your love should be without expectation. You love your husband, your mother, your father, your brother, your teacher, your guru, your enemy. And that prem, detachment, and that shanti come, peace come. And your nature is karuna, the compassion. If you have that compassion, then ahimsa, non-violence, then shanti come. So satya, prem, karuna. Satya, truth. If you like something, you are not speaking truth. Life has to bring love, truth, and the compassion. These are the real property, real wealth. Sorry. The spiritual wealth, the greatest wealth in life. If you acquire spiritual wealth, you are the most happiest person. You can have millions of house, many wives, many children, many house, many car. You can be king, you can prime minister, president. But if you don't have peace, life is nothing. So shanti you need. Increase your spiritual health. Material health need just like it. How much food you need to eat? You have a big house. How much space you need to sleep? You have many clothes. I know I was living in Medellin, Colombia. The one woman used to come my class and she was the wife of owner Avianca. You know, she had Avianca own her husband. I'm talking about 1975. When the baby born, her son can, they have to send the plane to bring the pamper from America to bring this one. So richness. And one day he said, Swamiji, my husband very rich, but he is a miserable person. He cannot walk freely. Someone can kidnap him. He is miserable person, and she devoured him. He said, you are not fit, you cannot walk freely. When you go to the bathroom, 5 people waiting outside for you. Name, fame, money you need, but you be cheerful, blissful, free with the mind and emotion, you happy person. Money they give, the name they help you, but if you really want peace, just fearful, cheerful, happy. Life is short, 50, 70, 80, nothing else. Change the angle of living and eating. Living. I met so many different kind of people in my life. My living life as a sannyasi more than 60 years. I start my life. My personal life very interesting. I give everything and start. But I feel very blissful, happy, contentment. God make me instrument to help person come around me. I travel around the world more than 50, 60 countries. Everywhere I have house. Every person do care for me. Every country. I go England, Italy, Canada, Australia, or Central South America. Every person I have love unconditional. But we love and expect that love and one happiness. We don't love that person, we love what he has. We don't love the person who is a beggar in the street. How many person in the street that living, they don't have house? I walk every day tropical park and I saw many people sleeping in the rain and the cold under the shade, homeless. So that's why life has meaningful, life is purpose. God has the opportunity to live fully with a peaceful. I am telling last moment the nature of the mind. 3 gunas. Remember 3 gunas, nature of the mind. Tamas, tamasic nature, rasic nature and sattvic nature. The tamas state of mind, inertia, anger, worry, preoccupation, always negativity. The man has living tamasic state and suffering. Rasic state, controlling, dominating. I am this, controlling other person. And sattvic state, balance, calmness, tranquility, harmony. The mind should be always state of sattva, not rajas, not tamas. Something you need, but predominant state of sattva, you will be happy in the life. If any question, I have 30 seconds left. Any question, ask me. Laura is invisible. Ivan is invisible. Vasant, Basdev, Ambeter, Andrea visible. But I saw visible Karuna Devi from Guatemala. Really, you are compassionate. Andrea, Shanti. God, you are so wonderful. So, Laura. Yes, Hari Om. Anyone can ask question. Only 30 seconds, one question. Oh God, so wonderful. Thank you. Any question? 30 segundos. Laura, you do what is called, you have done plastic surgery. Your face look just like a 10-year little girl. You are 10 or 12.
It's work. It keeps me young. The dogs keep me young.
I was, I have a dog. My dog died, and yesterday, I went to the internet and looking my dog. And the dog cost $3,000 to $4,000.
What?
$3,000 to $4,000 internet.
Yeah, too expensive.
Yeah.
Too much.
I become myself my dog. I'm a dog of myself. It's nice, no? I think I'm a dog, and I walk with my dog. I walk myself. It's good idea. I used to walk my dog one name Hariom, and I used to talk with Hariom. So I think now I am a dog, and I with dog. Me and myself. My boss is me, and my boss cook the food for me. So I don't need a dog external. I can be a dog myself. I
How
don't
many
have.
walks a day?
Right?
How many walks a day?
I don't know.
Swamiji,
Yes.
Sonia,
हाँ
I
ठीक है.
think you should go to a look in the rescues, local rescues.
I'm joking, my dear friend. I'm joking. I don't need dog.
Oh, okay.
Because attachment that cause unhappiness. I have a dog 12 year Hariom,
Yes.
and when he died in front of me, I was thinking dog, but I don't feel the cat. My cat was Chiquita. Her name is 20. Chiquita was 21 years. I have 3 birds. 10 years I have 3 birds, and all they went to vacation, and I'm very happy.
You're happy now? Good.
Yeah, yeah.
I love animals.
Good.
To have animals around.
Sometimes nowadays human being become animal. Sorry, I don't want
Very
to.
comforting.
Sometimes human being walk just like animal. Look, Laura has a house for me dog.
And 5 dogs.
Oh my goodness.
I said I have 5 dogs that attachment. I have 5 dogs. All dog in Miami that belong to me, and I belong to them. All bird belong to me, cat belong to me, whole
Yes.
person belong to me. You don't have to say this is my, nothing. So enjoy, even you are not
I see what
on,
you're
but
saying.
still you enjoy.
That's
You know,
true. That's true.
every day in around my block, dog walk. When I see them, hello, that's okay. So Shanti, how are you doing? No sound. I cannot listen. No sound. Huh? Huh?
It's beginning to be spring and all these beautiful flowers on apricot trees and cherry trees, very different than Miami.
Okay.
And apple trees, but the blossoms are so beautiful.
I'm very happy
So
that you're enjoying there.
That's better than winter.
Okay. I'm very happy. We are happy enjoy. How is the cat doing? Good?
My kitties, they're good. They live a confined life. They don't get to go outside like they did in Miami, but
Good.
that's
Oh, thank you. Okay.
okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Jennifer, your question 30 seconds.
Hi, Swamiji. Hi, everybody.
Hi, good morning.
I have no questions. I'm just so
Okay.
happy to
Okay. Karuna.
give wonderful advice.
Karuna.
No tengo preguntas, Swamiji. Solo agradecida por su sesión.
Yo no tengo pregunta. Listen to my heart song. I will never forget this. I will never forget. Oye, mi corazón. Yo tengo un amigo que yo llamo, su nombre es Jesús. Yo tengo mi amigo, te amo. Laura, Leanna, send your dog and cat to me.
I'll go, Swamiji.
Yeah? Okay, now time is finished. My 30 seconds remain. I'm going to sing a wonderful song for you. This is the form of Lord Shankaracharya. Very powerful about self-realization. Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. वही आत्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हूँ, अमरात्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हूँ। शिवोहम 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 शिवोहम, वही आत्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हूँ। अमरात्मा है मरणशील काया, सभी प्राणियों के जो भीतर समाया। शिवोहम 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 शिवोहम। है तारो सितारो में आलोक जिसका, है चंदा व सूरज में आभास जिसका। शिवोहम 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 शिवोहम। अजर और अमर जिसको वेदों ने गाया, यही ज्ञान अर्जुन को हरि ने सुनाया। शिवोहम 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 शिवोहम। Please keep 1 minute silence. The person who lost their life throughout the world with the corona. We pray for all world person who lost their life. Doesn't matter, they are not all relatives, but the whole world, everyone pray for everyone and send the blessing for their families. Just 1 minute silence for whole world. Person who lost their life. ओम त्र्यंबकम यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकं बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृता। ओम असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु, सर्वेषां मंगलं भवतु, लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकं बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृता। ओम त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव, त्वमेव बन्धुः च सखा त्वमेव, त्वमेव विद्याधरिणं त्वमेव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। नाहं कर्ता हरि कर्ता हरि कर्ता विक्रम, नाहं कर्ता गुरुदेव कर्ता एकम्। ओम सत्यं शरणं गच्छामि, योगं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि। ओम शांति शांति। Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om. Thank you for coming. Lot of love and blessing. You are all wonderful people. Thank you. Hari Om. Thank you. Hari Om.